Good morning. Today's Thursday, April 30th, 2020. I wanted to explain today's packet to you guys so that way you'd have an easier time doing it at home by yourself. So remember, today we're going to start with our ECRI. If you have any questions with any of this stuff, remember that you can email me or call me anytime and we can go over it together. Also, I sent your parents an email with a bunch of different links to help you guys out with each of the worksheets we have here. Also, some of them are videos and and some of them are to teach you, but some of them are just for fun too. Okay, so remember for ECRI, you read the word or the sound first, the fast way. Remember, it's so important to practice your words and your sounds, just so that way you can become a better, more fluent reader, so you can read the way you talk and you can understand and write better. So the first thing you're going to do is read the fast way. And then you're going to read all the sounds and words in your head. So you go through, you read all of these things again, but in your head. And then you're going to use your silly voice. And today, you're going to be mad when you read. Super mad. When you're done with that, I want you to choose as many words as you can and write at least 2 sentences. Don't forget to use your capital letters, correct spacing, and make sure your sentences make sense. Don't forget about punctuation. When you go back, I want you to look to see, are you forming your letters correctly and are you using your best handwriting? When you're done with that, you turn the page and you can read the decodable reader. Read it, read it, and then go find the irregular words from the page before, and then reread the story. When you're done with that, so you read it first, you find the irregular words, and then you read it again for practice, so that way you guys can be so awesome at reading, and then you write about what it's about. Then on the next page is your spelling words. You're just gonna write them 5 times each. Trickle, giggle, puddle, and bubbles. The STEM challenge. Now this week, you guys read your story at the beginning of the week, and you guys are designing a brand new kind of shoe using the materials that you have at home. Whatever you have, you're going to test your shoe and you're making improvements. See if they're comfy. Do they hold together when you walk? Oh my gosh, what would happen if they got wet? I wonder what materials you guys are going to use. That's exciting. All right. And then you're gonna find your flip book. I gave you in your all of your stuff. I gave you some examples of what shoes could look like, and then you have your flip book. You're gonna be doing numbers 1 and 2. So today you're gonna collect ideas. You're gonna think about your challenge. You're going to think about who you're going to work with. You are going to write down all of your ideas. This one. Then after that, you're going to look back at your ideas and you are going to choose the one that you want to try. The best idea. And then you're going to look around your house. You're gonna decide, it could be inside, it could be outside. You're gonna decide what kind of materials that you wanna use. That's right here. After that, you're gonna make a plan. how are you gonna make this shoe? I'm excited to see these shoes. And then you can draw your very best plan. If you need to, you can use the page above to draw too. That'll be totally fine. Oh, this is exciting. I can't wait to see the shoes you guys make on Friday. When you're done with that, then do your plant journal. Draw a picture of it. Hopefully it's growing by now, and write about it. And then it's time for math. If you are a junior, today, we're on the last page here, Thursday, you are doing chapter 6, lesson 9. That's on page 380. Remember, you can do the whole lesson if you want to. The more, the better. Otherwise, if you don't have a lot of time, or if it's taking a long time, why don't you just do the share and show, and then on your own. So that's page 380 and 381. Today, you're going to be using tens and ones to model the number. And then you're going to write it. So you're going to draw a picture of it using tens and ones. And remember, you can use sticks and dots. Sticks for tens, dots for ones. So here's number 1. It says 10 tens and 1 more. So how many sticks would you draw? If you have 10 sticks. And then 1 more, how many dots would you draw? 1. Below, you're going to write the number. So 10 plus 1, 10, 11, you're going to write the number 11, a 1 and a 1. Okay. So if you have any questions, check out the links that I sent you guys. Also, I'm here at any time. If you're a senior, you guys are going to be doing, here we're on the last page, Thursday, math, chapter 6, lesson 9, page 434. Is that right? 400, chapter 6. You know what? I'm looking at my book right now and it says page 439. I'd go for that one. So I want you guys to do regrouping hundreds and tens. So today it's the same thing as yesterday. Just practice, practice, practice. This is super tricky. So I want you to make sure that you're regrouping when you need to regroup. Okay. So you just solve the problem and you write the difference. And look at this. Make sure that if you are borrowing groups of 10, then make sure you write it above. Okay. All right, guys. Make sure you look at the learning videos if you're having any problems, or let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to help you guys. All right, guys, tomorrow's Friday. I hope you have an amazing Thursday. See you tomorrow. Bye.